Okay, so let me teach you how to do it, how to write live with transparency on video using Ecamm and Apple Notes. Here's what we need to do first. We need to connect your iPad and then bring it in as a camera overlay. So let's do that. We're going to create a scene by clicking plus here. We're going to name it Apple Notes. Now we are going to bring in the iPad, and to do that, we are going to click on New Camera Overlay down here, and then choose from Video Source, iPad. Now we have the iPad in its true form, right? I have light mode enabled, so you're seeing white here. Now, we just treat it as regular. If we're writing, right, and you can annotate whatever. You can do circle inside a circle, and then inside another circle. Yeah, almost looking like an eye. So let's just add that. Why not? Okay, now if you want to show this on video, here's where the magic happens. You're going to click on the pencil, and then you're going to go to blend mode and select darken. Now you have clean video and you can write live with transparency using Ecamm, blend modes, and Apple Notes. Hello, Ecamm. So you can do all of this. Yes, writing with transparency inside of Ecamm using blend modes. It is incredible. I know that there are other apps out there that you can use with more accuracy, but you have Apple Notes, right? And you have Ecamm. Why not, right? And you can do this with transparency and without transparency. You can do something like this. New scene. I'm gonna label it writing. And in here, I'm going to change my source to blank. I'm going to bring my camera again. And then what I'm going to do is delete all of these. Or you can create a new note, however you would like to do that. And then now, since it's a camera overlay, you can manipulate it however way you want to, right? I'm just going to crop this a little bit here, delete this little bit here, and adjust it how I want it to. You just have fun with it, however you want to. And then if you want to bring an overlay, so that you can be here, you can do so, like this. You can change the shape. And there you have it. You can start writing here now. Today, we are learning fun things. And that's it. Plug in your iPad, bring it as a camera overlay, and choose the right blend mode and start writing. And when I say choose the right blend mode, this is what I mean. If you have dark mode enabled, you will need to choose screen so that it can be transparent for you. However, I do recommend using light mode better because the text shows better that way. But you give it a try and let me know how you like it, what blend mode you like best, whether light mode or dark mode, and how you're gonna use it, right? So for more quick tutorials like this, Ecamm and others, please sign up for my newsletter. The link is going to be in the description. Thank you so much and like it if you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Bye everyone. My name is Ana Gil with Ana Gil Studios. Bye.